I understand the struggle that too many artists have transitioning from a more traditional work to a more contemporary work. I lived through that process in my life like an artist, transitioning from academic work in my hometown to a more, I think, bigger level to enter the university and to be a professional artist. Well, I think it's important to break the rules of academy because academy has been created to teach to us and give to us the tools that we need to be more creative and to be an artist. But the inspiration for being an artist in real life came from our experience, our dreams, and our ideas. In my workshop, I'm going to teach artists to find their inner voice and they develop their creativity to really create a work in contemporary painting. My name is Marlon Portales. I am an artist based in Miami. I am teaching figurative contemporary painting workshop. Are you ready to find your voice? The art is alive.